at this. We all are familiar with this equation, but most of us don't know what does it actually mean, right? I will discuss this formula to clarify all confusions at Science today. Stay along. So what is E equals to mc square? This is called mass and energy equivalence formula. It says that mass and energy are the same things, just in two different forms, like two sides of a single coin. Just imagine I have a chunk of coal which weighs 1 kg. E equals to mc square formula says that if we can convert it into energy, we will get an enormous amount of energy. If I apply the formula, it will be 8.98 into 10 to the power 16 joule. That's a huge amount, enough to power the entire world for a day.
No, that is not true. If I burn 1 kg coal, we get hardly 30 megajoule of energy.
Here is the confusion. Look, when you are burning coal, you are not totally converting the all mass into energy. After burning coal, you will get ash, carbon dioxide, water vapor, which all have mass. If you could convert the total mass into energy, then you would get the exact 8.99 into 10 to the power 16 joule of energy.
Is that possible? The complete conversion?
Yes, the only known process that converts all masses into energy is matter-antimatter annihilation. Scientists have done that experiment at lab, a particle and its antiparticle. You can think of an electron and its antiparticle positron. They come close to each other, annihilate and produces energy. But you know, antimatter is extremely rare and hard to store. Producing just 1 gram costs $1 billion.
Okay, so burning coal is not an example of E equals to mc squared.
No, burning coal also proves this equation. A small amount of mass is reduced here also as energy is produced. See, by burning 1 kg coal, we will get roughly 30 megajoule of energy. This mass reduction here is, if we apply the formula, it becomes 0.33 nanograms. No scale on Earth can detect it. In nuclear reaction or radioactive decay, this mass loss is much clearer. So not only matter-antimatter annihilation, every reaction on Earth that produces energy follows this mass equivalence energy equation.
Okay, is the equation reversible? I mean, energy also can be converted into mass. How is that possible?
Yes, it is reversible, but not possible for everyday life because you need a tremendous amount of energy to produce just a tiny bit amount of mass. Although at Large Hadron Collider it has been experimentally done, but you have a misconception here.
What misconception?
This E equals to mc square formula is not a conversion formula. It is equivalence formula. Energy does not need to convert into mass. It itself contributes to the mass of a substance because mass of an object is not only the solid matters inside it. The energy inside the object, that is the binding energy and kinetic energy of the atomic particles of that object, also contributes to the total mass of the object. When we increase energy of an object, its mass also gets increased. You cannot detect it because the increased mass is absolutely tiny. For example, when you heat water of weight 1 kg by 1 degree centigrade, it absorbs about 4,184 joule of energy. So mass increase will be 4.65 into 10 to the power minus 14 kg. Unbelievably tiny. Tiny but real. If you could weight the water with infinite precision, you will find it slightly heavier when it's hotter. I hope the basics of mass and energy equivalence formula is clear. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.